Employees expect consistent reviews and equitable pay, no matter what part of the company they work in. But all too often, there are differences in how employees are evaluated and compensated, leading to an unhappy and disenchanted workforce. SuccessFactors can help. SuccessFactors provides efficient online calibration to ensure reviews and compensation across your whole company are fair. Now, your employees will know they work in a true meritocracy. With objective and trustworthy reviews and fair compensation, employees are rewarded for their hard work. Be sure to take a closer look at SuccessFactors' performance and goals and compensation to see how calibration can benefit your business. Contact your account executive today or email us at sales@successfactors.com for more information. Calibration, just another example of how SuccessFactors drives business results.